All right, more news coming in. The Supreme Court has sought information on deported illegals, asking the centre to give figures on persons deported as illegal foreigners. Give the data on persons in detention centres. Tell us what is the policy for the people who are declared foreigners, but the nationality is not known. State of Assam to set up a committee of officers to visit detention centres, transit camps every 15 days to ensure proper facilities are being provided to the people there. Going straight across to Anisha Mathur for more details on that story. Anisha, break this down for us. Is this state specific or has it got to do with illegal immigrants being identified in various states?
Both these issues are true actually. There are orders passed by the Supreme Court in this matter which are specific to the state of Assam as far as the ensuring the proper facilities in the detention centers is concerned. But at the same time, the centre has been asked to ensure that proper procedures are being followed for those people who've been declared foreigners across the country. So in this petition, which has been pending before the Supreme Court since 2020, the Apex Court has passed multiple orders with regard to identification of foreigners, with regard to the treatment of persons who are in the detention centres, with regard to also the case, the way the foreigners tribunals and the proceedings are to be considered for people who are accused of being foreigners. Today, three specific questions have been asked by the Supreme Court to the state of Assam as well as to the centre. First of all, of course, to the centre, that how many people have you actually deported? There are thousands of people who've been declared as foreigners whose nationality is known to you. So why are you not deporting those who have been declared illegal and whose addresses, etc., that you know? Secondly, what are you going to do about the persons who you have declared are not Indian citizens, but you don't know what their actual nationality is? So what will be the policy for that? Because you cannot keep people detained or in jail indefinitely. This specifically was the observation made by the court in a matter where in one of the applications, because the person has said that he's been in the detention center for over 8 years. And the court is being very clear on this, that you cannot keep people in detention indefinitely, especially when you don't know what their actual nationality is. Third question is, of course, to the Assam government about the situation in the detention centers, as multiple applications have been filed with regard to basic facilities like sanitation, access to information, access to education, etc., to the persons who've been in the detention camp. The court has made it very clear over the years that while the procedure in the Foreigners Tribunal is going on, in the detention centers, proper human rights have to be observed.
Okay, that's what the court has said, that the checks have to be done every 15 days. Leaving it at that for the moment, Anisha Mathur getting us up to speed with those details as far as the Supreme Court seeking information on deported illegals is concerned.